Yashwant sir to please come forward. Come on, make some noise. And now I request our regional manager, Mr. Peter, to please come forward from Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Actress Advati Shetty, who happens to be our beautiful actress, professional dancer, model and social media influencer. She's also got the Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari movie fame. Alright, and now it's time to light the lamp up. Welcome him with a huge round of applause. Barli ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. Come on. Peter sir, kindly share a few words about today's Nexa's SUV Carnival for the year 2024 right here at Hanumant Nagara.
So thank you, Bob. A very warm welcome to all of you. First of all, very happy Ganesh Chaturthi wishes to all of you and your families. Today is a very special and a very important day. We are as part of our SUV Carnival series across the country. This is part of that series which we are organizing here in Bangalore. And we have three of our showstoppers, which is the Jimny, the Fronx and the Grand Vitara, which is on display. And together we are teaming up with our dealer Mandavi Motors, represented by Yashwant sir. He's the president of Mandavi Group. So Mandavi and Maruti goes back a long way since 1983. Together we stepped foot in India. Mandavi is celebrating 40 years as well as Maruti Suzuki. And today we are blessed with the presence of Advati Shetty. Thank you so much for coming here and gracing the occasion. This is one of our biggest events which we normally do in our calendar. This is the SUV Carnival. So there are special offers which we have announced for the customers. It's also an occasion for them to come here to see our entire range of SUVs. It's also an occasion for the families to be here to engage through our games, our engagement zone. So it's a full day of activity. It goes up till about 10 p.m. and we are coming to the doorstep of the customer. We have our showrooms, our network in the city, but this is an occasion for us to reach closer to the customer. We also have our True Value certified cars on display as well as our service facilities. So everything under one roof, and I'm sure the customers would definitely enjoy, and I'm sure Mandavi will also inform about the special offers which they are announcing here. So thank you very much, and may this event be as successful as ever, and thank you all for coming and being a part of this important carnival.
Giving a very beautiful offer. Let's say anybody who happens to book in Victor or Jimny, we are giving them a discount of 2,50,000 rupees. Would you like to build on it, or what do you think about this opportunity?
Yeah, so it's the best festive offer which we've announced. It is Ganesh Chaturthi Utsav. So on the occasion of this festival, we have announced this one of a lifetime opportunity to own our showstoppers. So this is the big offer which we've given, and for today alone, because we have the presence of Advati Shetty, we have a special offer also for today, which is 10,000 rupees, which is announced by Mandavi Group here for every booking who does today.
Wonderful. So what if Advati books a car today? Any special offer for her?
So she gets that 10,000 rupees. So we also have finance here. ICICI Bank is there. So we have offers like 100% on-road funding. So you can take the car with their special offers as well.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you very much, Peter.
Thank
sir.
you, Bob.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you. That was our Peter, sir. Can we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you. Now, I request our president from Mandavi Motors, Mr. Yashwant Rai sir, to please come on stage. Barli ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ president from Mandavi Motors. Sir, very happy to meet you and share the stage with you.
Thank you. क्या बोलूं? Welcome everyone here, specifically Ms. Adviti Shetty. Thank you for making time coming all the way from Mangalore, and I think our function, because of you, it will be a great function today. Thank you so much once again, and thank you, Peter sir. Today being Sunday, still you made it. I also welcome and thank Mr. Vijesh, who is the backbone of my entire Nexar business. Okay, and today the customers, we have very few customers here today, but we are expecting them late in the evening. And the additional offer what we are giving, you already said it. Bob was announcing it since morning. Thank you all once again, and hope the best wishes for this function. Thanks again. You won't ask any questions to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, one thing, sir. Happy Ganesha, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. All right, and now, yes, it's time to welcome our today's very special chief guest for the day. So, ladies and gentlemen, all you handsome boys and the beautiful and gorgeous girls, put your hands together and let's welcome the gorgeous Adviti Shetty on stage. Barli, chappale chora barbeku, come on. Oh my God, now I can see the smile. Ella super ag smile ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ. Okay, before I could talk anything to her, I promise selfies and photos with her, a separate session for you all. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ photos ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Have patience. Okay. Yes, first of all, hi Adviti. Happy to share the stage with you. Welcome to Nexa's SUV Carnival for the year 2024, celebrating here at Hanuman Nagara. What do you want to say to Hanuman Nagara? What do you want to say to Hanuman Nagara?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅದು ಹನುಮಂತ ನಗರ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ನನ್ನ 11 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದಿರೋದೇ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೂಲತಃ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ. But very proud to say I'm a Mangalore girl, but I think this place, Bangalore, has given me bread and butter for the past 11 years. So I don't want to segregate that into Hanumant Nagar, Rajaji Nagar or anything.
ಅನ್ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಇನ್ನು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. But great.
ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, we have to live here ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we should just be grateful to the mother nature and we have to live here ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Super nice. So ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹನುಮನ್ ನಗರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ನಿವಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So it is why I said Hanuman Nagara, and very happy to meet you. All right, and yes, you came, you entered, and you were looking at all the cars here. All right, a quick question to you: which is your favorite car and why?
See, very honestly, when we work for a brand, I can't tell one name because it will be unfair, alva. I should just say Nexa anta, but I think my eyes allinda bandagle first nodiddu nanu Jimnyna. I don't know, I find it very cool because I think on hudgi agisi hudguru they usually choose, they tell oh ee tarad beku anta, but I think as girls we also should be like now hudgarkinta kammi illa anta. So
Why should boys have all the fun?
Girls should also have fun, and off late I think a lot of people keep going for adventurous trips, and I think this car especially, I think it's going to be like perfect selection ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. But nevertheless, I should tell even the other two cars are really good. In fact, I was telling sir like the interiors inside. Like for me, when I buy a car, I also see how the interiors are, like how it's made, like how classy it looks. And I think all the three, I don't know, but it is in the first, so that
So that is actually attracting you.
yeah.
Wonderful.
Also,
The color also.
that's my dad's favorite color. So I mean, he's not with me right now. I lost him 1 year back, but I think whenever I see a red car, I remember him. So I go for that only. Are you gifting me?
Well, we are planning.
You still planning? You still planning? I came some 1 hour late. You could have planned my day.
If you'd have come early, we could have thought about it. But any which ways, looks like you're a dad's girl.
I think everybody. I'm parents' girl. I'm not dad's girl, but I am parents' girl. Only thing is, I lost him last year, August 25th. But I think it's been a phase, right? Whenever I go to such events, he was always proud of me. So for me, any event I've been going after I lost him, I remember him on every stage. And today, seeing that red car, I was like, okay, if I would have got this car, it would be his favorite because he loves red, and I love the design.
Fantastic. So now, if at all, if you happen to buy the car or book the car, okay, how far would you like to travel in Jimny and with whom?
With who? Definitely my twin sister, Ashwiti Shetty, because I've been living with her all my life. So if you guys know, like we've done our MBA masters together, we were working together, we've been living together. So obviously I think we imagine two girls in that car. How will it be? And where? I don't know. See, when it comes to traveling, I think there's no boundaries. And a car like this, I think I can go on and on.
You drive?
Yes, I do drive. I love cars. I was telling sir, like, I love cars. Now, how do I choose one? But then, for sure.
Great. So, Advati, don't you think people who are planning to buy cars and who have something in mind to book their cars, don't you think today is the right day and the correct time and they're in the correct place to make their decision? Because if everybody can book a car in a showroom, but something special about today's event is, if they happen to book their dream car with Nexa, they are going to get a 10,000 rupees discount. And also if they happen to book Invicto or Jimny, they're going to get additional discount, 2,50,000 rupees. Don't you think it's a great time to book their car?
First of all, I didn't start telling a welcome to everyone because you directly asked me a question. So first of all, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ and ಗಣೇಶ್ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಬಾಬ್ ಅವರು ಜೋಶ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಫುಲ್ ಜೋಶ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು.
ಮರ್ತೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಚ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್, ನಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್, we get to talk to the staff, we get to ask so many questions. That is one added advantage. Second thing, ಆ ಕಾರ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ವಿ ಕೀಪ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್,
we can choose between the cars.
choose. Plus the most important thing, offer. Who does not want discounts? Who does not want offer? I think any day, anything for that matter, especially even the smallest thing, we bargain. Everybody bargains. But when it comes to car, if you're getting such a good deal, like you said, 10,000 plus 2,50,000, who does not want Bob? I think they have to come here. Everybody like if they have plans to buy a Nexa car, and this is the right opportunity, definitely, no doubt. And Nexa itself is a brand which has made so much of good quality cars, and everybody knows about Nexa. There's no doubt about it. And again, Maruti Suzuki, my dad's favorite brand. I don't know, everything is just connected, and I feel good that I'm a part of Nexa team now. And trust me, like I can see why the brand is so good. It's because of all these great gentlemen here, because the way they are, you know, that also matters. And I'm extremely happy to meet each one of them, because I told sir, I don't have a Nexa, but my next car will be a Nexa car. I told him. So for sure, see, it's not just about buying a car. It's about how happy you make the customers, you know, and how you greet anybody who comes to your store or showroom. I didn't come to the showroom, I just came for an event, and the warmth that I got here, I could feel how Nexa as a brand is. So I'm very happy to be a part of Nexa team, and this is an amazing deal. Jaldi jaldi banni, bega bega banni.
Not only that, they can also exchange their old cars for a new car. You know what? Today we are giving them free evaluation. Free evaluation. If they come in their old car, we are also getting their car's emission test done for free of cost. Sounds great, right?
Yeah, great, because other day I had not done, but mine is done already.
Wonderful. Thank you. So now, do you have anything else to tell us? Because we all were waiting for you since morning. Alright? So now you should speak from your heart. What is that you want to say to us?
See, the thing is, very honestly speaking, like sir told, I came from Mangalore. I reached Mangalore yesterday at 10 o'clock in the night, and I wasn't aware, I wasn't aware of the event, and when I got to know, very honestly speaking, see, there are a lot of people who might think, ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ, but genuinely speaking, only for the brand Nexa, I came here, very genuinely talking, because see, we work with a lot of brands, but some brands are very special. Like we would have thought, ಈ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅಂತ. Nexa is one of that. So when I got to call, I was like, ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, I am going ಅಂತ. But that's what flights, you know, sometimes. Okay, so ಅದಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು I'm very very happy because like I told you, there are few brands that I always thought that I want to work, and today it has fulfilled. I wish all the very best for this event, sir, because like sir told, it's a very big event. I'm very fortunate that you all wanted me to be here as a part of your team, and let's hope that we have many more collaborations in future, and thank you to each one of you. I don't know what else to talk. It's always better if you ask me questions. So usually I don't plan what to talk. Like ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, what I feel I usually talk. That's what I did 5 minutes back.
Thank you very much. And now to know a little bit more about you, which is your next movie?
Like I told you guys, okay, see, usually ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೂ they only talk about Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari. I'm very fortunate because I was supposed to do IAS. I was preparing for IAS, but fortunately ನಾನು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನರ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. So last year I had 3 movie releases. The last one was with Darling Krishna called Sugar Factory. So ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಆಲ್, unfortunately my dad was not well, so I took a break. I took a bit of a break, and I'm getting back. I'm listening to a few scripts. Hopefully I'll start from next month. Maybe for your next event when I come, I will talk about which film I'm doing. So I just want to ask everybody that, you know, support ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಹೀಗೆ, and yeah, thank you.
ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನೆಕ್ಸಾಗ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ ಅವಾಗ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Wonderful, thank you. Can we have a huge round of applause? I've been incomplete without your presence. God has blessed you with beauty and intelligence, very rare combination.
Intelligent? How do you know I'm intelligent?
I got that vibe.
Oh, that means even you are intelligent.
Thank you, you made my day. Seriously, very happy to share the stage with you, and we have a small token of love from Nexa.